Hello everybody, welcome to my shower. Actually, this is one of the guest showers in my home. And I'm gonna show you guys this thing here. It's the ANZA shower head. And I'm gonna try to show you guys how it connects up. I haven't even opened the box yet. And I didn't get it for this house because this house I have a shower head up on the other side, but this house side also has one of these handle things. So I'm just gonna replace this handle thing with the shower head and we're gonna show you how it works. So let's open up the box here and see what we have inside. Actually, it works out pretty good. I can put it up here. So in here we have the shower head, and you see it's a nice big shower head compared to most other little ones that you get like in an apartment or something like that. And it's got different settings to spray, and I'll show you that if we can get it hooked up. It comes with some Teflon tape, so you can wrap it around the thread so you don't, so it doesn't drip. So let's see what else we got in here. And then we have, here's all the attachments, and let's see what else we got. And I guess that's it other than the instructions. So we don't have a whole lot else in there. I'll put this on the ground. I've put a few shower heads on in my day, so I kind of have an idea how it works. So it's a little dirty there. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So this is the part that would screw into your wall. So if you have a wall, you would screw it in like this. And then, but I don't have a wall. I just have a shower head here. So because I don't have the wall fixture, I have my old one that I'm unscrewing, and I can just screw it into its place of where the old one was. So it would just screw it on right there. Actually, I'm not even going to screw this one on. You know what something that screws on looks like. We're going to try it out here. So we have the hose, and that's how this hose is. This is a nice hose. It's metal coated. I'm sure it's plastic in the inside coated, but it's got a nice metal hose for it, and it's got the little filters on there for the water restricting. Or actually, this is just the cover for it, huh? I think I gotta take those off somehow. There we go. Gotta just unscrew those little caps, take those off because those are not filters. There's a little water diffuser inside of there. So if you want to get full pressure out of this thing, you're gonna probably have to take that off. But I'm gonna screw this on here. And I'm gonna just warn you guys, I'm not doing a professional job. I didn't put the Teflon tape on, so we might get some leaks. And if we do, so be it. So let's see how this goes here. So now I have this connected up here. And you see, in actuality, it would be, this one here is like a little square one. My house is modern. This one here is a little round one. It would stick in there. So you could, if it was up high, you could still use it as a regular shower head, and it adjusts with this right here. So you can aim it kind of wherever you want when you have it as a shower head. So that would be pretty good. It'll fit you right. And then let's see what this looks like here. Let me just get rid of some of these boxes on the floor. And let's turn this on. So here we go. Oops. Now it's coming. There we go. So this one actually has a pretty good pressure. So this is the full shower whatever. And then as I turn the little knob, it can go to the very hard pressing one. It's kind of got a little off mode. The hard pressing one is full. And then there's one that's another little hard one. And that's it. So it's basically got 1, 2, 3, and off. So it's got 3 different ways of doing it. Let me just turn this on and get the pressure up on. So that's it. So this is the shower head, and it seems to work pretty well. Now I am wet. My phone is wet. My light is wet. Everything's wet in here because I had it on the shower at first instead of this mode here. But so this is it, and you can just put it away right there. I mean, it would be up high normally, so you would be under it. So it's good actually if you have a shower head that's kind of low. This one here will boost it up a little bit, so that's good for those tall people with short showers. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description because I really like this one. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.